Happy Monday! It's Monday, my dudes. I know that's not the usual saying, but I like saying it. So it's a new week. I started off with my morning routine this morning. So I made my bed, had some coffee, just popped in home. So yeah, I've made some breakfast, some little egg rolls with scrambled eggs with red peppers and crushed tomatoes, and then I have some grapes and some water and some rice cakes to eat during my lectures that are at 1:30, so they're in an hour and a half. I just need to get some editing done, just vibing away, guys, like just doing it all.
There we go.
Please do not zoom into my skin.
It's the working lady, ooh, ooh, earning the moolah to buy me my makeup and skincare. Look into the camera and repeat after me. Angus is my favorite child, and Nicole is my second favorite child, and Karen is my third favorite child, and then Jessica's somewhere down the line.
Okay, Angus is my favorite.
Just kidding, I didn't need anything more after that.
What?
Mom admitted that I was her favorite child. What the hell's wrong with your tongue?
I think that's a thing of unhealthiness.
The extent of the changes, if you look at the legislation itself.
Good day, everyone. So I'm off to work to go drop Jessica's laptop charger off because she forgot at home, and I'm a good brother, much to my own disgust. And it is freezing outside. It is currently 10 degrees. It's really actually not that cold. So yeah, so I'm gonna go drop her laptop charger off because I'm a good brother. It's Wednesday, my dudes. What is up? How's your day going? I started off my day with Teams meetings for my group projects for uni. I'm now just popping some food. It's a mango smoothie bowl, and I'm watching Jessica's new video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out. We be chilling. I have uni work to do. You can see that the ironing has now lay in the same spot for the last 3 days. But yeah, I started using this new shampoo. It's like the Garnier, the vegan shampoo that they do now. And it's really good. I highly recommend. Hey, Thursday, guys. What's happening? I feel like I do the same video every day and I don't ever move and my background never changes. But I mean, I put the box away and I did the ironing. So I had breakfast. I made some scrambled eggs. Just had that. And then I was like, my mom's cushions on her couch really need to be washed. So I put those in the wash. Cleaned my bedroom. Had some coffee. Very boring life, I must say. So my mom just came home and she gave me this. How cute. She got one for each of us. So she got one for Ian that says his name, and then Jessica that says her name, and then obviously because my name and her name are super weird, she just got this one for me. How cute. Just quickly want to go through the makeup that I cleared out of my little cupboard, just to see what I got rid of. First things first is this Drunk Elephant Melting Butter Cleanser, and the only reason I'm getting rid of it is because she empty. Next up we have this wall paint bronzer. She looks like this. This is just way too orange for my skin. And I'm getting rid of this Anastasia stick foundation. It's just like super, like the packaging, A+++++. But this is the shade Porcelain, and it's like white on me first of all. And I don't know, it's just very drying. Next up is this NARS Orgasm Blush. I don't know if you can see that. Looked lighter in the photos. The next thing is this Fenty How Many Carats highlighter. It looks like this, and she's like a bit balmy in texture, you know? And that's what she looks like. This is just straight up glitter. And then the next thing is this Beauty Crop Duo Blush. I got this in a glossy box. And this is cute, I really like this, but I just have other blushes I prefer. Next up we have this Coconut Plump Color Riche Shine Lip Balm from L'Oreal. And I'm getting rid of this Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Hey Girl. She looks like that. Then I've got this 16-Hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. This shade is just white. Not my color. She's not my color. I have this L'Oreal Infallible in 326 Vanilla concealer. The reason I'm giving both of these, this is like, I've only used this like twice, but what I've come to realize is I do not like thick concealers. I'd rather use more of a thin concealer than one thick concealer. And also this Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation in the shade 02 Alabaster. So if you know me and you have contact with me and you want any of this stuff, let me know. And that, guys, is the room clean. Got a little candle going up there. Conservatory's clean. That's Jessica's blanket for her room. So yeah, guys, she clean. That stuff has to be hung up this week. So yeah, but that's the clean room. That annoys me slightly, but I can't do anything about that. But yeah, so skirting boards wiped down, doors wiped down. So yeah.
The water looks nice though.
Oh, finally, something positive about the poor lake.
Wow, you got tuned up.
What's up, guys? It is now Saturday, as you can see. I had a haircut. I'm so excited. So yeah, so this morning we actually woke up and Danny cut my hair. And then what did we do? My mom came back from like shopping and everything, so yeah, and then we ended up just going for a walk, which I'll insert a little ting for. And yeah, now we're just chilling. It's actually been a really chill Saturday, which I've really enjoyed. We just went walking around the neighborhood and we found some great spots. But yeah, so I just wanted to end off this week's vlog and say thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to drop a like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram to see more daily content. So yeah, also if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I started burning a new candle. This is from And Other Stories. You guys should really, this is some good smelling shit. If you can get your hands on it, I would definitely. It's the Archivets candle. But yeah, okay guys, see ya.